What will happen if I send 1,000 emails with attachments to a single email address? Are we going to be banned? Let's find out. We start off with a 50, but we must modify the frequency to make it a little bit faster.
And let's go ahead and click send. All emails processed. Okay, and you can see everything was sent, but then I think there's an issue with one attachment. Not really sure. Attachment missing, yeah. And we have how many? 50, and they're here but without attachment, so didn't pick the attachment. So next time we're going to make it better. Make sure that the attachments are there. After fixing the attachments, let's go to how many? Let's make it to 200. So that will be 150 more. By the time I'm done with this batch, we should have sent 250 emails, 200 with attachments, now that we corrected everything. Now click on send. And now we are not getting the error about the attachment. So we just sit down and watch it go. All emails processed, and click on OK, and we let the outbox do the remaining, and we check on the success of what we've done. 200 more email sends, this time with attachments, making a total of 250. We're going to add 750 to make it 1,000, and we start off. And then we go ahead and send. I don't know why this feels so illegal. Illegal stuff. So at this point, it's still sending. If you look at this, here we are at 461, and the other side is actually still going. But I'm not receiving anything past 250, meaning that this is 250 plus the earlier 250, 500. Is it a quarter? Is it that the systems have detected there is something interesting going on and they decided to block further emails to this address? I don't know. As we continue sending our emails here, I didn't notice that we are receiving also emails. And definitely from system administrator, we must have hit and have, or maybe tripped something in their systems. Maybe the same person was just looking at what's going on here. Same recipient, same sender, and yeah, I'm not going to bother myself with that. I know exactly what's going on. So if we go to the junk emails, I received this one, and they're saying that they blocked my messages because they think that I'm spamming, which is what I'm doing, definitely, which is bad. No one should do this. You should just make sure that you're using this tool for the benefit of you or your company. Now, quick maths. The last email I received here was 250, and we had sent earlier 250, making a total of 500 messages to one recipient, meaning that maybe there is a limit of 500 messages to a single recipient from a single sender. Not sure, just guessing out, because you can see here we are accumulating errors and errors and errors. So the best thing that you can do is just to stop our automated Excel, which is working wonders. Now, if you want to know how I created this Excel sheet template that can be able to send emails using whatever you've typed here, including attaching the documents, then you can go ahead and watch a video that I made, a walkthrough of how I arrived at this, even the code and this particular Excel template. You can be able to get it from there, download and customize for your own work. Otherwise, subscribe.